Yeah.
Are you the real estate agent?
You guys go ahead. It's okay. Yeah, come on in. Are you coming in, sir? Welcome.
Thank you.
You're looking at about 4,700 square feet. One of your own trucking dock, and we're gonna move this 20-foot fence. So the whole unit will be from that trucking dock all the way over to that wall. You have truck dock, another door access here. What do you need for supplies? The more questions I can kind of ask, I get a better understanding of your needs and where I can help accommodate.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Are you the real estate agent?
Yeah. I don't dress like a realtor. I've been doing it for 33 years. So, did you want me to wear a suit? I'll get back to Sebastian shortly about 30 though, but
That's beautiful.
that's twin turbo.
I'll show you mine.
Thanks. I love the white inside.
Yeah,
This-
it's nice.
That's really nice.
But it stains from your blue jeans. Hey, you're a gentleman. So you get back to us.
I will,
and
sir.
how quickly you guys can move.
I will. Thank you. Ciao. Ciao, bello. Buonasera. Buonanotte.